Welcome to EPG Pathshala. The present paper is on public libraries, and this particular module deals with development of library legislation in India. As an introduction, it gives about the various advantages that will accrue over library legislation in different states. Library legislation is a state subject. As such, different states in India have made efforts for introducing library legislation. This module discusses the states that are having library legislation and the efforts that have been made in India. Apart from discussing the various library acts, it also evaluates the success and failure of various library acts in India. Let us look at these in detail. Advantages of library legislation. It helps in establishing an organized network of public libraries in each state. It helps in establishing an administrative setup manned by qualified hands. It also helps in introducing coordinated and centralized services like purchase, processing, etc. Functions of library legislation are: it should lay down the structure and functions of each unit in the system, make provision for continued financial support. It should clarify the role of government and quasi-governmental agencies in running public library services in the state. The factors to be considered by an act. The act should define the structure, functions, and organs of each system: the council, the director of libraries, local library authority, city library system, district and branch libraries, etc. The Act should also indicate the sources of revenue, expenditure on reading material, furniture, staff, etc. Qualification of staff, services and extension activities of libraries, access to public, book selection, circulation, fee and late fee charges, etc. When we look to the history, library legislation was first enacted in Great Britain in 1850. Impressed by the functioning of public libraries in UK, Dr. Ranganathan wanted similar legislation in India. He prepared a model act in 1930 and presented the same at the All Asia Educational Conference held at Benares. With his continued efforts, Madras State enacted the first Library Act in 1948. Several individuals made efforts in different states of India to have Library Act. Model library bills were prepared by Ranganathan in 1943, Advisory Committee for Libraries in 1963, Planning Commission Working Group on Libraries in 1965, and the Indian Library Association in 1989. Present position. There are 20 states in India which enacted library law. Some are defunct, some are non-operational, and some are nominal, etc. The states that enacted library laws are Kolhapur, which is now defunct, Madras, now called Tamil Nadu Library Act, Hyderabad, which is defunct, Andhra Pradesh, Mysore, now called Karnataka Library Act, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Manipur, Kerala, Haryana, Mizoram, Goa, Gujarat, Orissa, Uttaranchal, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, and Arunachal Pradesh.